For many seniors, it is a very overwhelming process to downsize, to move to a smaller space. Now, in today's video, we will be talking about downsizing, decluttering your items, and we have 7 easy and fun steps to do that. Hi, I am Deanna Kalina, founder of West Coast Lifestyle Group. We do residential real estate on the West Coast. Now, I am really excited about this topic on downsizing because I know it is an important topic to you, your families, your grandparents, your parents, and therefore please comment below, ask some questions. We'll be happy to answer those. And also like the video, share it, and subscribe. Tip number 1. Enlist the help and support of a trusted family member. Tip number 2, take inventory of all your possessions and categorize them in 4 different piles. So here you will be wanting to keep these items. So for example, things that are really important to you and you will absolutely take with you, put them in pile 1. Pile 2 is things that you can give to your family or friends, and they will hold on to these for you. And this one for donation or sale. Why not make a little bit of money if you can sell your items? And the last bin is for recycling or throwing away. So please recycle as much as you can. I mean, we can recycle almost anything these days, from paper to electronics, even toys. Now, a lot of people would normally donate them if they were in good condition, but if they're not in the best condition, like this poor little guy, it'll be great for animal shelters. Animal shelters will take your old toys, the animals can play with them and be really, really happy, and it's a great way to give back to your community. Ask yourself, when did I use it last? Will I need it again? Do I have something else that's similar, or is it a duplicate? Will I have room for this in my new place? Or can I make money from this? Tip number 3. Start in one room and finish that room. Allow yourself to feel accomplished for getting something completed before moving to the next room. This way, you will feel motivated. Tip number 4. Take photos of everything that has some sentimental value before getting rid of it. This lets you keep these memories and share them with other family members without storing the actual object. Tip number 5. If you intend on leaving anything to your loved ones as a gift or a legacy, this is the time to do it. This way, you can also see the joy that these items bring to them. Tip number 6, consider your new lifestyle when choosing your possessions that you're going to take with you. For example, if the new facility that you're going to has an exercise center, do you really need that treadmill that's been collecting dust all those years? Tip number 7. Take a break from all your decisions before going in for a second review. This process can be very emotional and overwhelming. So think back, reflect on all the memories that you have created, and really look forward to the future. And when you are reviewing, here's a really important thing. Please just review the very first bin, which is the stuff that you'd like to keep, and see if you can take any items from there and still be able to get rid of those. Hope you liked the video, and all the best on your moving journey. Now, before I go, I just discovered this really, really cool and simple idea for remembering. I don't know, I forget sometimes, so it's really neat. I love these little things. It's called Easy Daisy. Amazing for seniors especially. So this is just a magnet, and they literally take it from things to do and to done. So it could be exercise, doctor appointments, anything whatsoever. It's just such a great little tool. So anyways, thanks so much for joining me. Please comment below if you have any other tips. We always welcome your ideas. And share, like the video as well, and subscribe. Tip number 1, enlist someone that you trust, a family or family member or friend. I always Say it again, please.